Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk about an opportunity that many people are missing: the massive wealth being generated in the current bull run, especially in digital assets like Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. If you're not paying attention, you're missing out on the chance to transform your financial future. The truth is, this bull run is making millionaires, and many are still sitting on the sidelines. I've seen firsthand how those who understand the mechanics of the market, who are able to move when the time is right, are becoming wealthy beyond their wildest dreams. In this speech, I'll walk you through how I trade, why now is the best time to act, and how you can tap into this incredible opportunity. But let's start by breaking down why the bull run is happening right now, why it's making millionaires, and why you need to position yourself to be part of it. The power of the current bull run. This bull run, especially in the realm of cryptocurrencies, is one for the history books. The digital asset market is reaching new all-time highs, and Bitcoin, the leader in the space, has demonstrated its resilience and capacity to rise in value, sometimes rapidly. What we're witnessing is the culmination of several factors. Increased institutional adoption: major institutions are beginning to embrace Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The likes of Tesla, MicroStrategy, and other companies are allocating portions of their treasuries to Bitcoin, signaling to the market that this digital asset is not just a speculative play, but an actual store of value. The death of fiat currency: traditional fiat currencies such as the dollar are rapidly losing their purchasing power due to inflationary pressures. Governments are printing money at unprecedented rates, which in turn diminishes the value of money. This creates the perfect environment for assets with limited supply like Bitcoin to thrive. Global financial uncertainty: with economic instability brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic and government interventions, people are increasingly looking for alternative stores of value that cannot be manipulated by central authorities. Bitcoin offers an answer here. It's a decentralized, uncensorable asset, making it appealing to people who no longer trust traditional financial systems. This perfect storm of factors has created a situation where the value of cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin, is skyrocketing. And while the market has made many millionaires, there are still a number of people who have yet to catch on. They're missing out on the wealth being created before their eyes. But don't worry, it's not too late, and I'm going to explain how you can take advantage of this situation. Why most people miss out. The issue is simple: most people don't understand the system they are a part of. Most of us are caught up in the illusion of working for money, when in fact, money is a middleman between our ability to transact. Let's break down the problem with the traditional system. Inflation and taxation: we're taxed multiple times when we earn, when we invest, when we buy, and even when we die. The government prints money out of thin air, causing inflation, which erodes the value of the money you work for. In the end, even though we work harder than peasants from the feudal era, we're left with nothing to show for it. The middleman effect: the entire financial system is built around middlemen, banks, payment processors, and other intermediaries who take their cut at every step of the way. This system has been around for centuries, and it has created a dependency on these middlemen. If you want to escape this, you need to understand the next evolution of money. Bitcoin: the solution to our financial woes. Bitcoin is the solution to this broken system. It's the next advancement in the evolution of money: a peer-to-peer, uncensorable, and finite digital asset that cannot be printed or manipulated by governments. Bitcoin is the technological advancement we need in order to break free from the shackles of inflation, taxes, and the control of traditional banking systems. In this bull run, Bitcoin is becoming the best store of value and medium of exchange. It is uncensorable: no government, no financial institution, no centralized authority can control your Bitcoin. Finite supply: unlike fiat currencies, which can be printed at will, Bitcoin has a capped supply of 21 million coins. This scarcity creates demand, driving up its value. Global and accessible: Bitcoin transcends borders and can be accessed by anyone, anywhere. It levels the playing field for people around the world to transact freely and build wealth without interference from traditional financial institutions. How I trade and make money in this bull run. Now that you understand why the bull run is happening and how Bitcoin can be a lifeline in today's financial climate, let me walk you through my approach to trading. This strategy has allowed me to capitalize on this bull run and build wealth quickly. Timing the market. Timing is everything. In the current market, it's essential to stay informed and stay on top of price movements. I use technical analysis, market sentiment, and news cycles to determine entry and exit points. When the market is in an uptrend, it's time to get in, but patience is key. I don't rush into trades. I wait for the right moment, and I make sure my investments are calculated. Diversification. While Bitcoin is the leader in the cryptocurrency space, I also invest in other promising digital assets. Altcoins, such as Ethereum, Solana, and others, can offer massive returns. I don't put all my eggs in one basket. Risk management. Never risk more than you're willing to lose. This is the cardinal rule of trading. I always use stop-loss orders to minimize my risk, and I ensure that I'm only putting a small percentage of my portfolio into any single trade. Hold for the long term. In addition to short-term trading, I also hold certain assets for the long term. Bitcoin is the cornerstone of my portfolio, and I see it as a long-term store of value. It's not just about flipping assets for short-term profit, but about positioning myself for future wealth. Stay educated. The markets are constantly changing and new information comes in every day. I make it a priority to continue learning and evolving my strategy. Whether it's reading books, watching videos, or talking to other traders, staying informed is critical. 5 key takeaways. The bull run is real. The current bull run in cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, is creating wealth. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Bitcoin is the future of money. Bitcoin offers a solution to the broken financial system with its uncensorable finite nature, making it a superior store of value and medium of exchange. Traditional systems are broken. The traditional financial system, taxes, inflation, and intermediaries keeps people stuck in a cycle of work, earn, and lose. Bitcoin offers a way out. Learn how to trade by understanding market trends, risk management, and staying informed. Anyone can capitalize on the current bull run and build wealth. Invest in your future. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies represent a new frontier in wealth creation. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Start learning and investing today. Expanding each key takeaway, 300 words each. 1. The bull run is real. The current bull run in cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin, is one of the most significant financial movements of our time. Over the past few years, we've seen an unprecedented increase in value, with Bitcoin reaching new all-time highs. This bull run is largely driven by institutional adoption, inflationary pressures on fiat currencies, and growing demand for decentralized, borderless currencies. The rise of Bitcoin as a store of value and medium of exchange has been evident in its price movements, but what's more significant is the potential for further growth. As more people begin to understand the utility and value of Bitcoin, its price could continue to skyrocket. If you're not paying attention, you're missing out on a massive wealth-generating opportunity. 2. Bitcoin is the future of money. Bitcoin offers an entirely new paradigm of money, one that is independent of central banks, governments, and traditional financial institutions. As a decentralized asset, Bitcoin cannot be manipulated by central authorities or governments, making it an ideal store of value in today's uncertain financial landscape. Its fixed supply, only 21 million Bitcoins, ever ensures scarcity, making it highly valuable as demand grows. Unlike fiat currencies that can be printed endlessly, Bitcoin's limited supply makes it resistant to inflation. This scarcity, combined with its increasing adoption as a store of value, makes Bitcoin the future of money. It's the solution to inflation, taxation, and the centralized financial system that many people are stuck in today. 3. Traditional systems are broken. The traditional financial system is deeply flawed. Inflation is eroding the value of our money, and taxation takes a large portion of our income, investments, and assets. Even when we work hard, we end up paying taxes on almost everything: income, investments, and even inheritance. In contrast, Bitcoin offers a transparent, uncensorable system that allows individuals to transact freely without the interference of middlemen. The middleman effect is one of the greatest issues with our financial system, as banks and other financial institutions take their cut at every step of the transaction. With Bitcoin, we eliminate these middlemen and gain control over our own financial destiny. The system has been set up to benefit the few, and Bitcoin is the way to level the playing field. 4. Learn how to trade. Trading is an essential skill in today's market, especially with the ongoing bull run in digital assets like Bitcoin. To succeed in trading, it's important to stay informed, understand market trends, and practice risk management. The current market is volatile, and those who can navigate it wisely stand to make significant profits. Successful traders don't simply buy and sell on impulse. They use data, technical analysis, and fundamental insights to inform their decisions. Furthermore, risk management is key to surviving and thriving in the markets. Never risk more than you're willing to lose, and always have an exit strategy in place. With the right approach, anyone can take advantage of the current bull run and build wealth through trading. 5. Invest in your future. The future of wealth lies in digital assets like Bitcoin. Investing in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies represents not just a short-term opportunity, but a long-term play for financial freedom. As the world continues to move away from traditional fiat systems, those who are invested in assets that are decentralized, scarce, and transparent will be best positioned to succeed. Bitcoin is the ultimate hedge against inflation and central bank manipulation. By investing in Bitcoin now, you're positioning yourself for future wealth as the world adopts cryptocurrency as the future of finance. The sooner you get started, the better your chances of building long-term wealth.